How to see your Reels watch history on Facebook. So go open your Facebook application. In this homepage, 6 icons should be seen below your screen. Now on the right part of the screen, click on Menu, scroll down in here, and then tap on Settings. After that, these additional options will appear. Now before moving forward, as of now, there is no feature yet that Facebook released which makes you go back to your Reels history, unless you interacted with it. Whatever interaction, it may be like, comment, react, or share. So go to your time on Facebook, click on the first box here, the see time. Basically, this will show you your time on Facebook, and below is the activity log. Click on that, scroll down and go ahead and tap into the interactions. Click on likes and reactions. Now, if you can't remember the interaction that you made, you can tap on this blue button which says like an interaction to remove the filter. And from here, you can check on the reels you made an interaction with in the past. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.